Okay guys, in today's video I got a really good Clickbank method for you. It's easy to do and it's on a high traffic website and it's all 100% free, and you should be able to do it from anywhere in the world, because if you can't access Clickbank, you can certainly access Digistore 24 and pick a product from there, because that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Okay, well guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. If you want to see this, stick around. It's going to be a good video, sort of step by step here, to show you how to do this. And you can, again, at this particular method, guys, it's a volume thing. So the more products that you post from your affiliate products, the more opportunity that you're going to make to create more sales for yourselves and all of your affiliate products that you upload and post to this particular site that I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on it. But first of all, for my new people that are here to my videos, if this is your first time here to my videos, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if anytime during the video, I want to invite you to reach down there below your video and click that red subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it too, so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here to this site, as you can see right here on my channel. Okay, alrighty guys, well, let's go ahead and get jump started on this. Now, first of all, we want to come to, of course, Clickbank. Guys, if you don't have an account at Clickbank, you can create one. It's easy enough. Just click on sign up at clickbank.com, or if you're using Digistore 24, it's the same purpose in the same way there as well. You want to sign up for an account there, and they will send you an email confirmation. So you want to get that verified and validated and come back over and get signed in. And then you want to click right up here on Marketplace, right up here where you see my mouse is right here, guys. And then it brings you over here to the Marketplace page. Now, for this example, guys, I've chosen a health and fitness product, a weight loss product here. In fact, there's quite a few new ones that I've noticed here popping up here on Clickbank in the last few weeks. And I did a sort by gravity right here, guys. You see, I clicked on health and fitness right down here, as you can see right here in the column on the left, and it brought up all the health and fitness or weight loss products and that kind of thing. So I sorted by gravity. Now, there's a couple of new ones here. Here's the Java Burn right here, and then there's this one right here. It's Exipure that you can see right here. You can make $155.58 per sale on that. It does have, if you look right here, it does have recurring billing on this too. So that means there's some sort of a subscription that goes on with this particular product. So if we click on the link right here to see the sales page, and it brings us over here to this page right here, and then people can read all about this particular product, guys. And it's a really good product. It looks like it's selling very well. If we look at the gravity here, guys, look, it's 535.96, and even the Java Burn product up here has got a gravity of 804. Look at that, guys. That means 800 people are selling this profitably online. So here it's 535 people selling this particular new product that's been around for not very long. I'm going to say within the last couple of weeks or so since I've been on Clickbank. This is a new product as well. So is Java Burn. And then it goes on down. There's all kinds of others, guys. Like I said, this is going to be a volume method, and so on and so forth. So, and then what we want to do is, we clicked over here, or right here, if we click on the affiliates link right here, guys, you see for it, that brings us over here to this right here, and you can see that they have all kinds of pixels and email swipes, images, and get your links and stuff. So we're going to be, for our purpose, we're going to be using one of these images right here, guys, and in our marketing today. All right, so what you want to do is make sure that you pick yourself a product, and then you get, your link. We'll come back here in just a little bit, and we will click promote and get our affiliate link, and we will use either bit.ly or tinyurl to shorten that link up. Okay, so what we want to do is, once you get your product picked and you've decided the product that you want, then you want to come over here to this site right here. This is where we're going to market this particular product right here. So it's right here. It's called Oodle. You see it? Look right up here in the address bar, guys. It's oodle.com. OODLE.com. And it's got me locally in New York. You can set your location right here It picked up my location in Ohio already earlier when I was here, but I set it to New York because that's where I want to be posting my post at. You can choose any location by clicking right here and choose wherever your location is that you want. All right. It's called Oodle Marketplace, guys. And if we look up here, why do they call it Oodle? Well, it's probably because of the oodles and oodles of traffic that this site has. You see, we're on oodle.com here. I bring out my similar web, and if I scroll up here, guys, look right here at the monthly visits. 1.9 million people, guys, almost 2 million people come to this site every month. For whatever here. It's sort of a classified type of site, guys. As you can see, they have the marketplace over here, merchandise, all vehicles, cars, and boats, and all kinds of things, and real estate, jobs, pets, and community, and personals, and all of that to go on here. Lots of marketplaces that you can post your affiliate products into over time, okay? This site, by the way, if I bring this back out again, we can look here. If I scroll up a little farther, you can see right here that the top traffic, 90% of the traffic to this site, guys, comes from the United States, and then Canada and India, Australia, and then Mexico. So these are the top tier countries right here. So that makes this a good trafficked site. So now what you want to do is when you get here, you want to come right here, and if you can barely see it, not sure where my mouse is right here, and it says sign in right here, guys. It's free to sign up on this site. You just click here, and it brings this up right here. Now, I've already signed up on this site, but you can create a local account here, or you can use your Facebook to log in here as well. So if you don't have an account here, just click right here where it says create a new account, and that'll bring this up right here, and then you just fill it out with your name, last name, your location, wherever you want to put. You can make your location anywhere in the world, it doesn't matter, and same with your city. And then put you one of your email addresses in that you have, create a good strong password, and then just click on join, and they will not send you an email confirmation. I did not get an email confirmation from this site. So then what you want to do at that point is it'll just sign you right in. So I'm just going to go ahead and get signed into my account here, guys. And there you can see that I'm signed in right here. It says me right here. And you can click on that. You can work with your account and your listings and sign out and so on and so forth there. Then once you get signed in, it's just easy enough, guys. We're going to come over here and we're going to click on post right here. You see what my mouse is. Click on post, and that's going to bring this up right here. And then it says, what are you posting here? We're going to put a title in right here as well. Okay, so I'm going to come back here to our site, and I'm going to use the information right off of this site right here. And I'm going to, okay guys, I copied this information right here we're going to use in our post here. And I just copied this down to about this paragraph right here, these two paragraphs, and we'll stop it right there. And I posted that here in my notepad. So we're going to copy this information right here. This is going to be our title right here, guys. Come back over here. Paste that right in there. And then come back and we'll get this paragraph, this right here. You notice I typed right here, click here to learn more, right? See that? Click here to learn more. That's where we're going to put our call to action right there. And then right here where we're description, we'll paste that right in there. And then you can see that we can put our link right here, our affiliate link. So I'm going to come back here to Clickbank now, guys. And we're going to click on promote right here. And then we're going to make sure that our account nickname is in the box right here, guys. You can put a tracking ID. Actually, you can put in Oodle if you want, or whatever kind of a tracking ID that you want. That way you can know where it's coming from, where your clicks are coming from and stuff. And then click on generate hop links. And that gives you this ugly old Clickbank link right here. And then we're just going to click copy right here. Or you can right click and copy and paste it too. And then close that out. I'm going to bring this up over here too. I'm going to go to tinyurl, tinyurl.com. And that brings us over here to tinyurl. And I'm just going to simply paste in our Clickbank link right there, guys. And I'm going to say make tinyurl. And you can see that it gave us this nice link right here, guys. We're just going to click copy. And then like I always tell you guys, you want to test it just to be sure. That should take over, bring us over. It sure does. and that brings us right over, and it's got our affiliate ID right in that link right there. So we're good to go. So now we're going to bring this link back over here to our post, and we're just going to paste it right there, just like that. Now, this particular site will come up and tell us about posting links in our article. So what we're going to do to get around that is we're going to go ahead, because what will happen is we'll be able to do it, but they won't advertise it to other sites like they showed up here, which I'll show you here in the beginning. They will advertise to many other sites, other classified sites out there on the web automatically for you when you post on this particular site here. All right. And I forgot to show you that in the beginning, but I'll show you to you. But nonetheless, you want to take out the HTTPS, and then we're going to put a space right here. Put a space, and then we'll just come out here and we'll type right here. And we'll say remove these spaces and copy the link. We'll just go with that right there into your browser. And there you go, right there. And that way that'll keep, so that will allow them, because we put that space right there between tinyurl dot and com, right? And we put that space there, that will allow, go ahead then and put our, post it to all the other sites out there on the internet, all right? Then what we want to do is we want to click add a photo right here. And then we're going to come back and we're going to download this photo right here. And then we'll click save the image as, and it's going to save it. I'm going to save it to my downloads, and you see that's already done right over here. So we'll close that out, and then we'll come back and we'll click here where it says add a photo, and then we'll come to our downloads area here, and we'll click on this one right here. And there you go. You can see that it put the image right in there, guys. And I'm not sure how many you can use, but I would say you can use a couple or three, but one should be enough. You just definitely want to put one photo in there. Just find it. If you can't get it, if your product that you choose does not have images like this one did, then you can go to Google, you can go to Pexels, you can go to Pixabay, you can go to any free image site and look up images that are related to your product. Such if it's weight loss, pick a before and after image. Or something to do with food or something, whatever your product is about, find an image that correlates to your product, right? All right, and then we want to select a category here. Alrighty, guys, I found this under services right here, and the subcategory was health and beauty. And then we're going to choose exercise and fitness right here. I don't see a weight loss or anything like that, but I think exercise and fitness will be perfect for this. So we'll choose those categories. And then right here on the price, we'll go with free because it's a free article, and then it'll get more clicks over. I don't want to put the $155 in here because it might turn them off. So we'll just go ahead and go with free. I want them to at least come over to see the product, right? We want them to click our link and come over and see the product. We don't. So if we put free at this point, then it should at least get them over to where they can see that, and then they can make their own decision on if they want to purchase or not. And then, of course, I'm set to New York like I showed you guys in the beginning. I'm just going to click on post right here, guys. Alrighty, guys, you can see that it's listed it right here, and it's wanting us to verify our email address to complete the account setup. So I won't bore you with doing that, but you're just going to want to come check your email. They'll send you an email to your address so that you can verify and complete the account setup, and then your article will be posted. And it does look like mine is posted right here, guys. You can see it. They'll post your ad to other classified sites right off of this one here, and so on and so forth. So you can do that. Just it's a volume thing. Just do many different products from Clickbank or Digistore 24, guys, and then you can post them on this site and drive traffic, free traffic, back to your Clickbank or whatever affiliate products that you're using, and hopefully you'll be making quite a few sales with that. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, if you have any questions about this, leave them down there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you. That's the video I had for you today, guys. A pretty easy method. And don't forget to reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you like this method. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. And if you want to learn how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, click down there below in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out how you can learn the formula to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer where you can make up to thousands of dollars even in one day's time. Alrighty, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to watch the other videos up over here or wherever they're at there that are showing up there, and watch those money-making methods as well. And guys, I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making method. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.